Hello everyone, welcome back to Absolutely Creative. Firstly, let me remind you all to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified about all my new videos. Also, you can follow me on my social media and you can share all your recreations and artworks with me. I would love to watch them. Today we are into our 5th episode of the Summer Camp for Kids series. Today, 5th of June, happens to be World Environment Day. The main aim of this day is encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. On this day, people make some banners and posters on the World Environment Day theme to create some awareness. So I'm going to show you all an easy way of painting trees for kids to make posters on World Environment Day with bubble wrap technique. So let's see how to paint trees using bubble wrap technique. With this, we finished painting of our beautiful tree using bubble wrap technique. It is so easy and simple that all the kids can enjoy painting some trees on this World Environment Day. I hope you all enjoyed this video, so please hit that like button and share my video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to Absolutely Creative for more interesting videos.